Gonna go meet Glenn by his house and then taking a beautiful ride up to Dingman Falls in Pennsylvania. I got my boy Mike here on his beautiful Road Glide ST. Man, let me tell you, Mad Max is looking awesome. You ready, my man?
Let's go.
Dingman's Bridge.
It's not that tall, but it's really cool looking.
just went totally north. We usually go 97. You guys will probably recognize this area. That's where Roman's pub is over there. And now we're going over to Delaware into New York State. This is the carriage house. And south of here is the Hawk's Nest. You know where you are, right?
I don't think it's open yet. Yeah.
No, I know, but you, instead of, you know, coming there, yeah. Your bike with gasoline?
Yeah, this fucking thing came up.
Ah. Look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. We got about an hour and 20-minute ride. We're going to Emerald Point. It's right on the lake. Sit outside. It's beautiful out. No reason to sit inside and eat something. That thing has such a distinct sound. That K1600B is fast, boy. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Okay, we're here. That's where we're gonna eat. Emerald Point Restaurant. We're here in Upper Greenwood Lake, New York. Nice ride, huh?
Yeah, it's a great ride.
Mikey boy?
Great ride.
Oh, he's got the Indy
Great
Ridge.
ride. Yeah.
He's got the Indy Ridge. He knows what's up.
Yeah, you know.
Indy Ridge. Come on. If you wanna be in boots all day, you gotta have Indy Ridge.
These gave my feet so much air.
Am I right?
When I was riding, it's unbelievable. Yeah,
Didn't you feel it?
It really worked.
You feel it too, don't you?
What?
Dave? The boots.
Oh yeah.
Like you can feel the air like coming right through.
Right on the side. Yeah. Your feet. It really does.
Yeah, definitely, guys. Come check it out here, Emerald Point Restaurant. I forgot to even record my food. I guess because I was too hungry. Usually I like to show you guys what I'm eating, but I had a tuna, a seared tuna wrap, which was really good. The restaurant's up there. You could sit inside or outside, and then nice bike parking right here, and then you got the entire lake. But anyway, that's it with this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely going to bring you guys a separate video on the changes that I did to Mad Max. So stay tuned for that. If you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, guys. And peace out. We'll see you guys on the next one.